Hello, welcome to a little unboxing of the MR30 connectors, plug with steel female and male, 5 pairs. Okay, so those are little motor connectors, so they sit between motor and ESC, and what they do is give you the possibility to swap out motors really quickly, or ESCs, but mostly motors. And I'm looking at those not for my quads, I'm looking for those to be used on my thrust stand, because I'm swapping out all the time the ECs or the motors depending on what I'm testing. So I used to use the I have to look it up, the MT30s. Those look slightly different. They are like triangular. And they work fine, but I think this is actually, since the ECs are with their pads like this, way more easy to wire them up like this. I do like them. I have the bigger brother as well, the MT30s, but yeah, I want to try those. They even look like, well, how should I put it? Here you have to look at the connectors and see, okay, the knob is here and they only will fit like this, not like this. And here it's quite obviously, you have the writing on top, and this will match those here, how shall I say, you see that there are little grooves in here, so you can solder the wires from this direction. Same goes for here, so you just look at them and you know, okay, they will plug in like this. Okay, so enough talking, already talked too much. Let's get some measurements here. So it's on the thickest point 11.27 millimeters, and with the connector it's 13.37. And you will put this, or you can put this on after you solder it, but I'm not sure I think they will stick to it and you will barely get them off, but for demonstration purposes I will put it on. So the cool thing is you won't need to heat shrink it. So then it's 15.29. Compare this to the MT30. And I'm a little bit confused. Okay, so it fits like this. So they are 18.05 millimeters, and okay, let's check the other one here as well, but I think it's will be quite symmetrical. 12.4, well, 12.5, and without the connector 9.55, and with the heat shrink replacement it's gonna be 14.27, so it's slightly shorter compared to the bigger brother. Well, they are both rated theoretically, I'm not sure, those might be clones, for 30 amps continuous, so I feel comfortable pulling 50 amps or whatever I pull on my 6S tests with those, but yeah, we'll see. So last but not least, some weight measurements. I have some backup connectors here. 1.23, 0.91, and then with the thing here 1.33 and 1.02. To compare this to the MT30, 1.64, actually quite a lot heavier, 1.56. So that's actually impressive. I wouldn't have thought that the weight difference is that big. So if you're thinking about putting this on a quadcopter, well, I sure would pick those over over the MT30s. But yeah, I think it's a taste thing as well. I think I fell in love with those. That sounds super nerdy. Well, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.